Very good morning, dear students. Yesterday we have learned that which family is making patola saris and where do they live and how do they learn the skills. Okay. Now today we will learn that how the sari has made by single thread. Okay. The threads which are used to weave patola is made from mulberry silk, which is white. Okay, father brings the silk threads from outside. Okay, the threads they are using, that is obtained from the mulberry silk, and that is white in color. Father brings these silk threads from outside. The threads are open and made into a grid laid out in crisscross manner. After that design is made on that, design thread is tied thereafter, which is called bandhani work. Already I have shown you the video in previous periods that how do they do. But I would like to let you know that what is tie and dye. That I am going to send you video and you can even try at your home. Okay. The part which has to be dyed is kept open, and according to measurement it is dyed and tied up again. This work is hard and time consuming. When grid is designed and finished dyeing, after that it is put up on the handloom for weaving. Hence, after the hard work of 4 to 6 months, they can prepare hardly one patola sari. Now listen, uh, just try to understand that one patola sari that consume 4 to 6 months to be prepared. Obviously it would be costly, right? And you might be surprised to know that they are using the natural colors in these saris. Okay, natural color means whatever colors they obtain from the plants, the color they are using is that one. Okay, the grid is fast colored, so there is no chance of washing out the color of patola. Durability and color of patola remain the same for many years. That is why it is saying in Gujarati that પાડી પટોલે ભાત ફાટે પણ ફીટે નહીં. એટલે કે જે પટોળા સાડીના જે કલર્સ છે, જે ડિઝાઇન કરેલી છે, એ એક વખત એ સાડી ફાટી જાય પણ એનો કલર આછો થાય નહીં. Handicraft is in danger. In the preparation of patola, care and patience are required for the skill of weaving, designing and dyeing. It's a hard work for many days. Mulberry silk and colors are very costly, so patola are sold at very high cost. Earlier there were 700 families connected with this handicraft, but now only 3 families are trying to keep this handicraft alive. Many people have left this occupation. Nowadays, as we have seen, that today's generation are least bothered with that heritage occupations, right? Even we people, we have seen in our society the father or the parents, they are following the occupations, but children might be not following that same occupations or heritage occupations, right? So same way, previously 700 families were connected in this business or this handicrafts, but now hardly there are 3 families only, those who are trying to keep this handicraft. Okay, many people have left this occupation. Now it seems that as the time will go, that we can see only in the history. Patola handicraft is not only the pride of Patan, but it is the dignity and the pride of Gujarat and India. Patola is precious and unique identity of ancient heritage and Indian culture. It is going to be vanished. For that, we have to give good price of patola and help the Kasbis. Otherwise, this previous art will be vanished. Okay, as we know, of course it's so costly, because even you come to know that it took 4 to 6 months to be prepared out. So obviously it would be costly, and the colors are also costly. Mulberry silk is costly, right? But this is not only the piece of cloth, but it's a dignity of Gujarat. Not only in Gujarat, it is of course for our country also. So we should try to save it. That's it for today. Thank you.